Top 5 Best Full Synthetic 0W20 Motor Oils 2025. Get unbeatable protection and performance with the best 0W20 motor oils of 2025. These top picks deliver cleaner engines, better fuel economy and longer life for modern vehicles. Number 1. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W23X5 Quart Jugs. Advanced engine protection. Long-lasting performance helps extend engine life. 120903. Advanced Full Synthetic Formula delivers outstanding engine protection and performance for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes. Enhanced wear protection reduces friction and prevents deposits, helping to keep your engine running like new even under extreme driving conditions. Improved fuel economy. Low viscosity 0W20 formula helps improve fuel efficiency and reduce oil consumption compared to conventional motor oils. Cold weather startup provides quick cold starts and fast lubrication in extremely low temperatures for smoother engine performance. Keeps engines clean. Formulated to resist sludge and buildup, maintaining optimal engine cleanliness and protection over time. Trusted by leading automakers. Recommended for a wide range of modern vehicles including Honda, Toyota, Ford and more that require SAE 0W20. Mobil 1 Extended Performance 0W20 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered to deliver ultimate protection for today's advanced engines. Designed for drivers who demand the best, this high-performance oil provides up to 20,000 miles of guaranteed protection between oil changes, allowing you to drive with confidence longer. Its advanced formulation combats heat wear and deposits, ensuring your engine stays clean, efficient and reliable even. Number 2. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W25 Quart improves fuel efficiency, engine protection and performance in all temperatures. Improved fuel economy engineered to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce engine friction, helping you save gas without compromising performance. Advanced Full Synthetic Formula provides outstanding wear protection and superior heat resistance for long engine life. Excellent cold start protection ensures fast oil flow and easy engine starts. Even in extremely low temperatures, keeps engines clean, resists sludge and harmful deposits, maintaining peak engine performance over time. Trusted by leading automakers. Recommended for modern engines requiring SAE 0W20 including Honda, Toyota, Ford and Lexus. Extended engine life reduces wear and friction under high loads and extreme driving conditions. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 is designed to help improve fuel economy while delivering exceptional protection and performance for modern engines. Its low viscosity and advanced synthetic formulation minimize internal engine friction, allowing your vehicle to run more efficiently whether you're driving in hot summer conditions or freezing winter weather. Mobil 1 0W20 ensures consistent lubrication protection and cleanliness. It prevents sludge buildup, reduces wear and supports extended engine life. Perfect for hybrid, turbocharged and high-performance engines. Mobil 1 Number 3. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil 5 Cutie. Superior engine protection, enhanced wear resistance and performance in all temperatures. Full Synthetic Formula delivers maximum protection against heat deposits and wear for long engine life. Enhanced wear protection engineered with anti-wear additives to guard critical engine components from friction and damage. Improved fuel efficiency. Low friction 0W20 formula helps boost fuel economy and reduce oil consumption. Exceptional temperature performance provides fast cold start protection and reliable lubrication in high and low temperatures. Keeps engine clean, resists sludge, varnish and harmful deposits for optimal engine performance. Trusted brand quality. Made by Valvoline, America's first motor oil brand, trusted for over 150 years. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 0W20 Motor Oil is designed to deliver superior engine protection and high performance in all driving conditions. Formulated with advanced synthetic base oils and precision-engineered additives, it reduces wear, resists breakdown and prevents deposits even under extreme temperatures. Its low-viscosity design improves fuel economy while maintaining powerful lubrication to extend engine life. Perfect for modern engines, whether turbocharged, direct-injected or hybrid. Valvoline ensures your vehicle runs cleaner, smoother and longer. Drive with confidence knowing your engine. Number 4. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic High Mileage 0W20 Motor Oil 1 Quart Pack of 6. Engine protection for vehicles over 75,000 miles, reduces leaks and burn-off. Designed for high-mileage engines, specially formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles to help extend engine life and performance. Full synthetic protection provides superior wear protection and helps prevent sludge and deposits from forming, reduces oil burn-off. Advanced additives minimize oil consumption in older engines. Seal Conditioners helps prevent leaks by conditioning aging seals and gaskets. Enhanced thermal stability performs reliably in extreme temperatures, offering smooth cold starts and lasting high-temp protection. Trusted Castrol quality backed by decades of innovation and proven performance in synthetic motor oils. Castrol GTX full synthetic high-mileage 0W20 motor oil is engineered for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, providing powerful protection that extends engine life. This advanced formula combines full synthetic base oils with specialized additives that prevent leaks, reduce oil burn-off and combat harmful deposits. The 0W20 viscosity grade ensures quick lubrication at startup and consistent performance in hot or cold driving conditions. Perfect for older or high-mileage engines, it helps restore performance, improve fuel efficiency, and maintain reliability. With Castrol GTX high-mileage full synthetic, your engine gets the advanced protection it needs to stay strong mile after mile. Number 5. Liqui Moly Molygen New Generation SAE 0W20 Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5-liter pack of 4 advanced friction reduction, engine protection and fuel efficiency. SKU 20438. Molecular friction control. Unique Molygen technology reduces internal engine friction, improving performance and efficiency. Full synthetic formula provides superior lubrication and wear protection under extreme conditions and long drain intervals. Fuel-saving performance optimized for modern engines to reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Exceptional engine cleanliness prevents deposits and sludge buildup for smoother and longer-lasting engine operation. Cold start protection ensures rapid oil delivery and protection during cold starts in any climate. Distinctive green formula UV active additive package helps detect oil leaks using UV light. German engineered quality, manufactured in Germany with the highest standards for precision and performance. Liqui Moly Molygen New Generation SAE 0W20 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a high-performance, fuel-efficient engine oil designed with cutting-edge Molygen molecular friction control technology. This innovative formulation minimizes metal-to-metal contact, significantly reducing wear and extending engine life. Its low-viscosity synthetic base ensures quick lubrication at cold starts and stable performance under high temperatures. Perfect for modern gasoline engines and vehicles with start-stop systems. Molygen 0W20 enhances fuel economy, reduces emissions and keeps engines exceptionally